Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube. It is April 6th, Tuesday, and we have another What Sold video for you today. We actually have a visitor up here this morning. Side guy wanted to spend the day, and he's fighting with Reese over the sunny spot on the floor. So we're going to go ahead and pull what sold for us today. Well, at least in the morning. It's 9 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. So we're going to pull what we got.
All right, so let's start with eBay, box B over here. So these Wrangler jeans that came.
I want to help.
Oh, you want to help? Okay. I'll let you get one that you can grab. So I got these from the bins for my stimulus check challenge.
I could get sealed.
Okay, hold on, buddy. And then, so these sold for $19.95 plus shipping. So about $1 or so into 20 plus ship. Can you reach CQ?
CQ. CQ. Oh, I can reach it.
Okay.
It's,
All right, can I grab it out though?
yeah.
Alright.
And I'll bring it to Dad.
All right.
Well, got to hold it up to the camera.
Show Daddy. All right, so this is it's an Oshkosh like vintage corduroy penny dress, and this sold for $25 plus shipping. I just bought it at Goodwill last week for $1.99.
All right, set it on the table, bud. Good job. Nope, this table. This one over here. Good job, dude.
All right, and then I sold a bra.
Then we'll play some more.
There you go. Go play some more Roblox.
This sold to a viewer named Kelly. She signed it Kells actually, so Kells, that's a cool nickname. She said she just watches our YouTube channel and will stop by our shop again soon. But yeah, she bought this Third Love bra for $22 plus shipping.
Thank you so much for the support, Kels.
Alright, $10 CJ.
CJ.
It's a little too tall for you, buddy. I'll get this one.
That's the four.
Alright, so these actually were Cyrus's little swim trunks. They're the brand Riley and Crew. And they sold for $29.95 plus shipping. I honestly don't remember where we got these. Go put them on the table. So yeah, hopefully I probably made most of my money back, if not all, on those. And then box J over here.
Box J.
So these are some Crocs. They are Air Force like
Hold on, bud.
Falcons branded. So I did pay $7.99 for those, and they sold for $25 plus shipping in just a few days. So like last week, how we listed 95 items. Oh my gosh.
Did you have candy for breakfast, Sai?
So we listed 95 items. I was trying to figure out this morning how many have sold, and I think it was 17 of those 95 have sold so far. But like just so far today, 3 of these things that we just showed you were the brand new listings, so they haven't been
Right.
cross-posted or anything. So
We did get a question recently why we're listing to eBay only, and that's why. Because it saves us the time of cross-listing stuff that we might not have to cross-list. eBay is our biggest selling platform, so if it can sell there first without us having to cross-list it, we are saving ourselves that time.
yeah.
And then after...
Like, I wouldn't have gotten 95 listings up last week if I also cross-posted them all. I probably
Right.
would have got still a good amount, but just not 95.
Yeah.
And I might have sold more, but we're just kind of like trying
We're experimenting.
something
We
out.
like, we like to try new
We'll
things every
see-
month and see how they
we'll see
go.
the
And
numbers
if
at the end of the month and see if we need to switch back
Right.
or what. But yeah, if we can save time and make the same amount of money, then we're
so
good.
far it seems like it's a good plan, but that can change. So we'll
Yeah.
see.
All right, so BY. Alright, Saga, you can reach that one. This is a Columbia fleece vest BY.
Does it have a Y on it? There you go.
Alright, it's that vest right there. Yep.
No.
Alright, show Daddy.
All right, tell me what it is.
I don't know.
Alright, don't squish it. Go put it on the table. So yeah, that's a Columbia fleece
on the table.
vest. I got it at Salvation Army for $2.99. Sold it on eBay for $19.95 plus shipping. So not too bad. And then box AM here. Sold another one of these Tommy Bahama dresses. This one I have $3 and some change into. Sold it for $16.03, free shipping. These aren't selling for a ton, but I had a bunch of them. So if I'm even making $7-8 a dress, times I probably had at least 10 dresses to begin with. It's been a pretty easy thing to sell. All right, and then CM.
All right, so go play your Roblox, bud. We got it.
Okay. This is a Squishmallow that I got from the bins, not from my stimulus check challenge or anything, but yeah, that was the first time I found a Squishmallow anywhere other than like retail at a store.
Right.
So that sold for $9.95 plus shipping. Some of those go for crazy money. That one was not that special, but yeah.
It's a little small. We have some, right? And that one seems smaller.
Yeah, they have all different
Quit
sizes.
squishing and set it down.
So about $1 into $10 plus shipping on that. And it sold in just a couple days. All right, and then we had one Kidizen sale in box T.
So, guy, how many Squishmallows do you have?
Two.
Two? Which ones are they?
Count mine.
You don't need to bring them up.
All right, so these are some little Nike shoes. These are from Once Upon a Child. I did pay $10 for them, mostly because sometimes if I'm already in the store, I'm going to buy something if it's good enough, if I can make even a little profit. And when I buy stuff, I get points. So I like to accumulate the points for coupons. So I did not have a coupon this day. I did pay $10 full for these guys, but I sold them for $22.50 plus shipping. So just about doubled my money on those. All right, and then box E. So this is just a Roxy, it's like one of those like Baja poncho type things that I imagine you'd like throw over your swimsuit or something or wear at the beach at night. I got that at Plato's Closet. It was either 50 or 70% off. My total came out to $3.90 after tax and everything. So $3.90 and I sold it for $16 plus shipping on Mercari. And then box K. Just some Nike shoes I got at a local thrift for $7.99. Sold them for $28 plus shipping on Mercari. So that's it for now. And we're gonna just work on actual listings today. So yeah, we didn't get any done yesterday, obviously, because of JBF. But yeah, we're behind from last week, so we gotta get going.
Yeah.
So yeah.
We'll go ahead and get this stuff packed up, and I'm sure we'll be back, hopefully with some more sales.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we are back. It's a little after 3 p.m. We had a few more sales come around, so we're going to go ahead and follow Kathy around and pull those real quick.
All right, so AO was another eBay sale. Oh, no, this is a Poshmark sale. Just kidding. This is the brand, what is it, Hello Hattie or something? It's just like a Hawaiian shirt. I like selling Hawaiian shirts. People are always buying them to go on vacation, so... and this was a men's 3X. So I thought it would do good. I did pay $4.99 for it and accepted a $20 offer. Probably could have got closer to $30, but I like to take the offers I'm given if I can. So I was happy with a $10 profit off that. And then this was an eBay sale. These Keen sandals I purchased for $3.99. Sold them for $29.95 plus shipping. Normally I can do a little more on Keens as well, but these ones had like a chunk taken out right here, and the footbeds were pretty dirty, so I listed those a little bit lower. I normally do 40 plus ship or 50 free ship on adult Keens. And then AR.
Right here.
So the pair of Columbia, like the Omni something shorts with the belt. So I got those at Marshall's on their clearance for $8. Sold them for $25.33 free ship. Shipping cost me $4.20, so at least doubled my money off of those. And I have a few more pairs, so yeah.
So that's what's sold today.
Yep, and then so what we've been working on is just listings.
Yeah, I was just bagging some stuff up. Kathy was photographing. I was drafting.
I know. Can I get back to your listing?
We've been trying this new thing with eBay because we're listing on eBay first where, come on, Reese, move out. We've been doing this new thing because we've been trying to list on eBay first, And so I can go in and upload all the photos and create draft listings. And Kathy's been going in and editing the draft and finalizing the listing. And that seemed to work out pretty well. What do you think today?
Yeah.
Get back over here.
So you guys saw us this morning. That was what, 10 o'clock. So then we didn't even start doing the listings till like after we ate
nap
lunch,
time,
right?
yeah.
So
When
we got
Cy
Cy laid down around noon, and now it's 3. So basically in 3 hours, we photographed and listed 25 items. Well, I photographed them. Chris put them into drafts. I listed them, but he measured them while I listed them, and then he's been bagging them to put them away. So yeah, it's felt good. I mean,
It was
that was only like 3 hours.
It was a very efficient feeling 3 hours for us,
Like
which
normally,
doesn't happen very often.
Yeah. Normally it feels like, oh gosh, I got a few up, and who knows when I'll have more time. But yeah, so I'm happy with that. We did more. Like, we have at least 10 more drafted that are ready to go and measured and everything. So I have to pick up my other son from school, and tonight is the JBF pre-sale, so I'm going to be going to that. Probably going to be there from like 5 to 9, so I might not get anything else done today, but if I do, it shouldn't take me long to get those other ones active. But yeah, I mean, it is Tuesday, and we're still only at 25 listings done for the week, so
that was for $726.
not doing great, but because he's helping me bag and put stuff away, that'll make it easy tomorrow to start on again photographing and listing. So, and we already have stuff processed for that. So yeah, I think we'll still by the end of the week do pretty good, because with JBF, I don't have to do anything there. I'm not working a shift this time around just because we're busy. So I'm just going to take the smaller profit from them, but I'll be able to make more profit listing online. So the way I thought of it is I only brought like 800 items this time, so that's about 200 less than normal. Normally I make between 1,000 to 1,500, so for the extra 10%, that's only like $100 to work 5 hours. That's $20 an hour, which is nothing to scoff at, of course, but I can do that on my own here, so that's what we're going to do this week. So yeah, hopefully, again, we're shooting for 150, but if we can get 100, we'll be happy.
And like Kathy was saying, she is going to be running off to JBF tonight to source, and hopefully we'll get, I don't know, enough good stuff to do a little bit of a haul video. We do plan on kind of showing you guys daily updates of maybe what sold on, not what sold on JBF, but how much money and how many items have sold for that day. Up until that point, we don't know how it's going to be this time. Sometimes they will update throughout the day. Every time you make a sale, it'll update on the list. Sometimes they won't update that till everything closes out at the end of the night. So we just have to find out. I don't know. Is the pre-sale started already right now?
They started, I think, for some people at 2.
So she's going to check right now and see if we are showing any sales.
I feel like people shop for a few hours before checking anything out. Yeah, nothing's popping up yet.
Yeah, no sales so far.
Either
But
there is no sales yet, or they're just not updating till the end of the day.
Yeah. So either way, we'll see. But yeah, we last night, Kathy and I went and unloaded all those 800 items that she was talking about, and what took us a couple hours.
Yeah, I used to be able to
2.5 hours.
I used to be able to do like 1,000 all by myself in like an hour to an hour and a half. I don't know, like the building here, it's weird because you have to go in the backside, and like where you have to put your stuff is like all the way around. So the walk just from your car to there is a long time. I don't know if that was it. We pretty much had everything organized before we went, but we did have a ton of miscellaneous things this time, where before when I was doing it myself and quicker, it was mostly clothes, which are super simple to just, you just hang them on the rack. So this time we had a bunch of books, and you have to put them in like picture books, chapter books,
age-related,
stuff like that. The toys, you're kind of supposed to find like, this is the dolls, this is the cars, stuff like that. So I think that's kind of what was taking a long time. But yeah, that was 2 hours times 2 people, 4 hours. So
yeah,
definitely don't want to keep doing that. I mean, I'm going to keep doing JBF obviously as a way to clear stuff out. But now that we've kind of gotten in the groove with online stuff, I don't want to spend as much time on it as I used to.
Probably stick to more clothes kind of stuff. Because typically when we do toys and stuff, it's only for JBF. We don't really sell a lot of kids' toys online. Sometimes we do, but
I do look for them just because some sell for a lot.
But I'll tell you guys, I am so sore. I woke up, I was sore as soon as we walked away. I used to be able to, like, I used to work at the school district, and I would walk around the schools all day, every day. And that was over 5 years ago. And I've, put on a few pounds since then and don't do that every day anymore. So I don't know. I need to get back into shape or something, because that was embarrassing.
Well, now that the weather's warming up, you can do
So,
that.
yeah, of course, COVID hasn't helped either, but put on those COVID pounds from quarantine. But yeah, that is going to do it for this What Sold video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. We're going to go ahead and pack these 3 sales that we had off camera, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.